Alright, welcome to another video. So today we're going to do the all forbidden slow wheelies. So I'm learning to do this. I haven't actually mastered it yet. I've been practicing a couple of days just here and there. It's tough. Getting to the balance point is fine. Keeping the throttle on, not really fine. Getting your head around hitting that back brake, not at all fine. Before we get into it, the main reason of these videos is so we help each other out. If any of you have been doing slow wheelies, then leave a comment down below, give people tips on, or give me tips on how to do this. I'm struggling to find what gear to do it in, whether in first or second. If anyone else having the same problems, have a little discussion down below, help each other out, give each other tips. As you can see, just kind of started getting the stoppies down, a bit scary, but that'll be on the next video. I'll do stoppies on the next one. And just like the last video, at the end of this video, I'm going to give everyone a challenge to do with the hashtag MidwestMX challenge. Post all your challenges there on Instagram, but we'll talk more about that at the end. So if you've been on the channel for a while, you kind of know the first time I even attempted a slow wheelie, I completely wrecked my bike. I'll leave a little link up here. Go check that out first so you can see what kind of carnage I caused the first time and why I'm reluctant to kind of do it now. Here we go, let's get into it. Right, so here we go, slow wheelies. So I'm not sure what gear to be in, to be honest. I'm going to try first because I can get up in first. Hey, no pun intended. So yeah, I can get it up in first, go foot on the back brake, kind of compress it down, lift it up, and pray. Just pray. Well, I'll try and sit far back. Okay, getting confident, not really. Well, let's give it a go. I'm sliding off the seat a bit too much there. So the trouble I'm having is in leaning from one side to another. I know that's probably because my foot's off the back, but if I have both feet on the pegs, I'm a bit worried that I'm going to come straight back off it. I'm trying to keep my foot on this back brake, but new boots aren't making it easy. New boots are not making it easy. Tell you what though, we could try like a little endo into a wheelie. Just move it up a notch. Endo into a wheelie. Change gear in the air. Oh, it's amateur hour. Oh well, it's fun. Alright, come on, let's do this. So I don't know if you're all having the same problem as me, if any of you are learning out there, but so I can get the front wheel up, and it's not even about covering the back brake, because I get it to a certain point where like the bars are kind of parallel to the floor, so it's at balance point. It's the throttle I'm having the problem with. It's keeping that momentum going forward, so just got to keep trying, keep going, keep moving. I think I'm having a problem with the throttle because it's in first, but I mean, I don't know, I've got no one here to help me. Oh, hang on a minute. That was nearly a circle wheelie there. I'm getting used to putting my back foot on the brake. My back foot on the brake? My foot on the back brake. Woo! Oh my god, I nearly flew off the back seat. Oh, that's a bit better. We're getting there, slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. I wonder if the neighbours are annoyed yet. I've been going at this for like half an hour. Okay, we're getting it. We're getting it. Oh my god, my arms. It's crazy, like you just have to keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, but you just got to keep doing it. I'm actually at the point now I don't care if my neighbours are annoyed, because it's my land. So there you go. Okay, we're getting there, but I keep turning left. I keep turning left. Woo! Back brake. I'm getting there. It's all like mental, like your brain needs to tell your foot to press the brake. And I am not very intelligent. If any of you got any suggestions of anything else you want me to learn, leave it down below and I'll give it a go. And I noticed a few of you noticed that stump over there. I am not hopping that at all because I'll be in that tree. Oh, that was... Oh, look at this. Does anyone else have a problem with electric start on the KTM? And my clock doesn't work, as you can see. I know a few people, the clock stopped working, mine stopped working. Right then, boys and girls, time for today's challenge. So yeah, the last challenge was absolutely epic and some hilarious ones. So if you want to get involved, follow me on Instagram, and today's challenge is going to be bike balance. So you can do this even if your bike's in the garage or in the shed and you've got nowhere to ride it. You can even do it there, get creative with it, get fun. I absolutely suck at it and I still haven't mastered it. I'm gonna blame the PSI, even though they're mooses, but the whole point of it is to kind of stand on your bike and balance. Let me show you how bad I am. See that? See how bad that was? So if anyone can beat 3 seconds, I mean, how do they even do this? Anyway. But anyway, if you all want to get involved, have a laugh with it. I bet some of you are absolutely killer on it. So just post your photos to Instagram, hashtag MidwestMX Challenge. I'll have a little look through. We'll all have a good time together. I'll probably post them on my stories. The best ones win. As always, thanks for watching. Ride safe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Right, and welcome to... Oh no.